What I am seeing is, are you still worried about the diet of your baby? Is your baby not doing well because of unfit food which he or she is taking? And you don't know what you have to do, like what kind of food you should give to your baby during the period of breastfeeding. So the very and most important food you should give to your baby is breast milk. During the first 6 months, it is the most important food for a newborn baby, which provides perfect nutrition. Breast milk contains all the essential nutrients, including proteins, fats, carbohydrates, vitamins, and minerals, which are in the right amounts for a baby's development. It also provides antibodies that protect the baby against germs, which may cause infections, and diseases which may be alarming. Now, second important thing which every mom should give to baby after 6 months is iron-fortified cereal. After your baby hits 6 months, they need extra iron because their naturally stored iron begins to finish. Iron-fortified cereals are a good first food for babies. These cereals are easy to digest and play an important role in healthy brain development and help in making red blood cells. It can also be mixed with breast milk or formula of milk for a smoother texture. If you are getting some knowledge from our informative video, then don't forget to subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to receive our knowledgeful videos very first. So third important thing is baby-safe proteins. When babies reach 7 to 8 months, proteins become an important part of their diet. This includes pureed meats, like chicken, mutton, or beef, but this should not be provided in large quantities. Proteins play a vital role in muscle development and their growth, as well as brain development in the childhood of life.